Self-practice 4.12, question 4. If log 2m is A and log 2n is B, express each of the following in terms of A and B. Okay, so these two are given in base 2 and none of these logs are given in base 2. So we have to change base lah. So to change base, we put log 2, log 2. And the big one we write on top. The small one we write below. Okay. Then, since these are related by times, we split it, it will become plus. So log 2m square plus log 2n cube over log 2 4. 4 is just 2 squared. So I can write 2 squared. Then we can bring all these powers down. So it becomes 2 log 2m plus 3 log 2n over 2 log 2. Okay. Then log 2m is A, log 2n is B. So 2a plus 3b divide by log 2 becomes 1 lah. So 2 times 1 is just 2. This will be our final answer. I just underline here lah. Okay, final answer. Next, let's try B. Same thing, the base we have to change first. So log 2 over log 2. And then the big number here we write on top. The small number here we write below. So since this is divide, we can split it to make it minus. So log 2m minus log 2n square over log 2. 8 is just 2 cube, so I put 2 cube lah. Then the power all we bring down as usual. So log 2m minus 2 log 2n over 3 log 2. Log 2m is A, log 2n is B, log 2 is just 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. Done. Okay, this one much better. I draw like this. Right. So this is A and B. Let's try C. Same thing, we have to change base first. So log 2 over log 2. Big number goes on top, small number goes below. So then this is related by times. So when we split it, it will become plus. Down also same. So it become log 2m plus log 2n. Okay, so 8 is just 2 cube. So log 2 cube plus log 2n over log 2m plus log 2n. Then 3 we bring down. So this becomes 3 log 2 lah. Log 2 is just 1. So I can just write 3 times 1, which is 3. Log 2n is B. Log 2m is A. And this is B again. So this will be our final answer. That's it.